and welcome to a Minecraft Let's Play video. Sorry. And today in this video we will be joined by Eric and GameRide. They're probably gonna leave me because they're gonna go play Hunger Games because I'm lonely. But today we are going to be what are we gonna be doing today? I finished that house in the last episode. Huh. Yeah, let's do it. Today I think I'm just gonna go and build another house. Or I'm gonna build a restaurant. So it's gonna be a cobblestone, and there's gonna be a little bit of wood involved. So I'm gonna cut down a few trees. And yeah, that's basically gonna be it. So let's just make some wood. There, no, I'm making a video. So yeah, no. Okay, okay. So let's kind of build this. Okay, good, I have my shovel with me. I really haven't been on this world much. I've really not been here much. And, I'm gonna make the floor out of spruce wood. The thing's gonna be made out of cobblestone. Because I got some before this video. And that, yeah, it's gonna be, it's gonna go, it's gonna be like that. But instead of going to the very point, it's gonna go up only one stair diagonally, and then I'm going to make it flat right then from there. I'm hoping. Let's do this. In the next episode, I'm going to try to get a certain fellow in this video. Probably a few more people, but I'm not sure. Yeah, that was never going to be enough. Okay, I'm going to stack. Let's do that. Then we gotta go like that. Oh, that's gonna look really cool. Parkour. Second parkour. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Need to make this one higher. Then break this. Break this. Break this. All the other stuff can stay. Okay, yeah. Is that good? That's good. Oh, perfect. Oh, man, I gotta get the other side. I was getting excited because I thought it was gonna be perfect, but it wasn't. Perfect amount of wood. I meant cobblestone. But I have another stack. I just came to get some more wood. Okay, that should be enough. I'm going to put that there, equipped in my inventory. Get a few more pieces. Got 4 more pieces. Yes, this should be enough. Okay, so we are about done with the, there. And then I'm going to come in here. Do I have any food? Yeah, I have a little bit of food. I'm going to come in here. And, and let's grab this. And grab this. This. Wait, no. So I'm gonna do this all the way around, and it should be pretty good. This will be uploaded tonight. It should be. The first one should be too, and my hide and seek, and my Hunger Games, and there will be a hide and seek in a little bit. Not in a little bit, like in a few days or so, maybe even tomorrow. I don't know, but I'm just trying to get my. No, it won't be tomorrow. It will not be tomorrow. It might. Wait, it might, but I'm not sure. It depends. Okay. We'll stay right here. I probably. Okay. Darn it. This is at almost 12. It's 11:30 at night. So yeah, I'm staying up making videos this late, and this is gone for 10 minutes, which isn't very long. Darn it. I'm probably taking those headphones off there. That's annoying sounds. No, not right now. And this video is over, which will be when I'm done with the restaurant. I'm probably going to build the building today, and tomorrow or the next day I will get the inside, like the chairs and the hold on. I'm gonna end probably by sleeping in a bed. Come on. That cow scared me. I thought it was like some coyote or there's some coyotes in Minecraft. What am I talking about? Okay, so hold on. Hold your horses. Okay. I hope I got enough. Probably didn't. If I didn't, I will end the video here. Hold on. And I'll finish this off episode. Just fill the roof. That's all I'm gonna do. Then tomorrow or the next day, well, in the next episode, we will be making the I will be, unless some friends want to help, the kitchen and the seating area. So, and making a name for it. And till the next episode, I will see you guys later. Bye.